Greetings! I'm excited to share news about a trading strategy that has been performing exceptionally well in our backtests, particularly for Bitcoin on a 5-minute time frame. This strategy has demonstrated a high win rate and substantial profits, making it a promising tool for trades. To elaborate, the strategy achieved an 86% win rate across 100 trades in our backtest and accumulated a 346% profit in just 20 weeks. These impressive statistics warrant further exploration of the strategy's potential. Let's dive into the mechanics and potential of this strategy to understand how it can benefit traders in the dynamic cryptocurrency, forex, or stocks market. Our first step is to add the EMA 200 3+7 crossover indicator to our chart. Now, to make sure this indicator fits perfectly with our strategy and chart, let's walk through some optimizations together. So on our chart, we have two moving averages, one with a period of 300 and another with a period of 50. The 300 moving average is a key player in this strategy, helping us determine the overall market trend. If the price is above the 300 moving average, we can say that the market is on an uptrend. And if the price is below it, we're in a downtrend. But that's not all there is to it. Each minute of this video has some special insights to offer, so let's keep going. Moving on, let's explore how this indicator generates signals. To do this, we'll be looking at the price candles and the 50 moving average. If the market is on an uptrend, and the price breaks above the 50 moving average, we call this a bullish breakout, which signals a buying opportunity in our strategy. On the other hand, if the market is in a downtrend and the price breaks below the 50 moving average, we have a bearish breakout, and this is a sell signal. It's worth noting that these signals are context dependent. They rely on the current market trend, which we determine with the 300 moving average. So keeping an eye on the big picture is key in this strategy. So now that we've explored how our first indicator generates signals, let's move on to the next exciting piece of the puzzle, our second indicator. Get ready to welcome to RSI trends indicator into our strategy. Now let's change a few parameters in the Style tab in the settings of this indicator. Now let's delve into the workings of the RSI trends indicator. The indicator is quite fascinating as it features two bands, an upper band at 60 and a lower band at 40. To confirm a bullish trend, we need the RSI line to be colored green and positioned above the upper band. On the other hand, to to confirm a bearish trend, the RSI should be color red and situated below the lower band. It really is that straightforward. Alright, let's talk about the conditions we need to consider before making a trade in either directions. For a buy trade, there are three key things to look for. First and foremost, we need to confirm that the market is in an uptrend. Next, we want to keep an eye out for bullish crossover of 50 moving average. Finally, we need to check out the RSI trends indicator is colored green and positioned above the upper level. Once all three of these conditions are satisfied, we can confidently enter a buy position. But let's not forget about risk management. It's an essential part of trading. To manage the risk of this trade, we can place the stop loss below the recent swing low. Additionally, we can set the target profit at 1.5 times the amount of risk we're taking on this trade. And to enter a sell trade, here are three key conditions we need to satisfy. First, we need to ascertain that we're in a downtrend. Secondly, we should be vigilant for a bearish crossover of the 50 moving average. Lastly, we need to ensure that the RSI trends indicator is colored red and is positioned below the lower level. Once these three conditions align, we're all set to enter a sell position. To enter the risk management associated with this trade, position the stop loss above the recent swing high. As for the target, you can set it at 1.5 times the risk of the trade, and there you have it. But recently, I've managed to develop a strategy that can even help traders who've been incurring losses in the financial markets for years. This strategy can transform them into consistently profitable traders, enabling them to gradually recover their previous losses. I've explained this money-making strategy in detail in this suggested video, so make sure to watch it as your next video.